Ma'am, may I start?
Yes, please.
All right. Uh, Good afternoon, everybody. Today, in fact, I feel fortunate and privileged enough to commence this important event. As we are all here together to bid farewell to adorable teachers of our school, Mrs. Alka Goel and Mrs. Neelam Pahuja. So, first of all, on behalf of the entire ma'am family, I would like to welcome you, ma'am, from the core of my heart. We welcome you both. We welcome you both, ma'am. Alka
Thank
Goel,
you, Deepa
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, Deepa
Thank,
ma'am. Thank you,
Alka
thank you,
Goel,
ma'am.
ma'am,
Thank
and
you.
Neelam Pahuja, ma'am. We welcome you both. You have done your
Thank you, thank
commitments like an oath. This line is very important. You have done your commitments like an oath. So, congratulations, congratulations. This is a day of elation. Congratulations, great celebrations, congratulations. And now these four lines, though they have been sent by Anjali ma'am, just four lines in Hindi, and I can't help reciting them. Mubarak, आज मुबारक, सागर जितना प्यार मुबारक, आप रहो खुशहाल मुबारक, आज का दिन आपको हर साल मुबारक, आज का दिन आपको हर साल मुबारक, मुबारक हो मुबारक. And now, may I request our revered principal ma'am to adorn this beautiful afternoon, or I should say evening, with her beautiful words. So, ma'am, please. Ma'am, you're not audible.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the program. Good afternoon, Alka ma'am. Good afternoon, Neelam ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Shreya. Shreya has joined from Australia. Is it right? Yes. Shreya, you are on mute. Yeah. Still not audible.
Hello everyone. Thank you so
Yes.
much, ma'am.
Great, great. And we have Shivank also. We have Disha also. Wonderful. So we welcome all of you to the MAMS family. Of course, you are a part of the MAMS family, and it's a pleasure to have you. Uh, it's an occasion where we bid farewell to teachers of our school online due to the COVID pandemic. Otherwise, we would have loved to have you all in school. Uh, it's a time of mixed feelings. Yes, one can't deny the fact that somewhere in our heart we feel that yes, teachers who have put in a lot of effort, uh, they are on superannuation now. But yet, I'm so glad for Alka ma'am having spent more than 30 years. Am I right, Alka ma'am? More
Ma'am,
than
27 years. Ma'am,
27 years. That's a long, long time. So Alka ma'am has spent about 27 years in the school. She joined as PRT, got promoted to TGT, got awards for the students, and because she got awards for the students, she got an award for herself, which is indeed a great honor. And ma'am, with your dedication, your immense hard work, sincerity, the primary students, the middle wing students will always remember your contribution to develop scientific temperament in them. We
Thank you,
also
ma'am.
have Neelam ma'am, who has been working in the school since 2001 and a very dedicated teacher of Hindi. And her classes are very interesting because I think she has the knack of making the chapters very interesting to the children. So, Neelam ma'am, I mean, all children, when they listen to her, so they listen to Neelam ma'am as if they are spellbound by whatever way she tries to teach them. And most importantly, she has been a script writer for us. So we have had annual days like Delhi and Gavli, where Neelam ma'am has written scripts for annual day, and of course it is very, very commendable. And not only for that, even for programs during morning assembly, inter school competitions, she has written the event. So, script. So we are
ये
so
कहाँ गए?
grateful
सीट पे
to
कहाँ
both
गए?
the teachers for
ये
having
नोट लेके
spent
गई थी ना, एक
lots
खराब
of
दे दिया.
time
कहाँ पे
in
है?
school.
अंदर
And
गए?
we continue with the program now. Deepa ma'am, over to you. And we welcome all family members, and we are so glad to get your views. I mean, see you. It's a great happiness for us that all of you has all also joined. Good afternoon, Bhaskar. It is great to see you. Disha, great to see you. Wonderful. Both Dishas, great to see.
Ma'am, I request all of them can put up their faces on the camera also maybe.
Absolutely. Shreya is there,
very
Disha
nice.
is there, Disha is also there. Both Dishas are there, and then Bhaskar is there, Shivan. What a gathering, I must say. We are absolutely delighted with this. Chandni ma'am, request you to please record the program.
Ma'am, if we could have their faces around, we could have them camera on. It'll be very
Yeah.
nice because all of them are focused right now.
Yeah, their cameras are on. So
Yeah.
over to Deepa ma'am for the program.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, after this, may I request Anjali ma'am to say something regarding her beginning for Neelam ma'am? Anjali ma'am, please.
धन्यवाद दीपा मैम. आप जैसा बड़प्पन नहीं है कहीं, आप जैसा सरल मन नहीं है कहीं, आपको हम विदा आज कर दें मगर आप जैसा कोई नहीं है कहीं. श्रीमती नीलम पाहोजा जी ने 2 जुलाई 2001 को विद्यालय में प्रशिक्षित स्नातक अध्यापिका के रूप में कार्यभार संभाला था. आपने अपने उम्दा व्यक्तित्व व पुरुषार्थ से कार्य करते हुए अकस्मात सेवानिवृत्ति प्राप्त करने का व्यक्तिगत निर्णय लिया. इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं आपका और आपके परिवार के सभी सदस्यों का अग्रसेन परिवार की ओर से हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ. अब मैं दीपा मैम जी से आगे का कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत करने का अनुरोध करूंगी.
Yeah, thank you, Anjali ma'am. Now, before we proceed, I would like to say that there are certain people in this world, they adorn this world just by being in it, and it's really true about Alka ma'am. Alka ma'am, it's true about you because your vivacious expedition of 27 years is a remarkable saga of accolades, because you joined the school in the year 1994, if I'm not wrong, and since then your dedication, your passion for teaching, your kindness, your concern, your compassion, your unconditional support, love for nature, and many more qualities have touched all of us. And believe me, personally, I have learned a lot of things from you. Being religious, not to forget to recite Hanuman Chalisa, very important. So you have really, that's true, and I've started doing it regularly. It keeps empowering me. You have inspired us to work meticulously and sincerely. As it is said, actions speak louder than words, and your actions have spoken volumes, ma'am. Now,
Thank you, Deepa.
now let's travel into panorama of Alka ma'am's zone, recollecting her unforgettable memories by watching this interesting PPT. So may I request Science Department to play that PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So through this PPT, we will really peep into all those beautiful memories which we have recollected, all the views of our dear colleagues and students, and let's see what do they say. And definitely we will all feel blessed when we watch, because it is through Alka ma'am, we realize that, yeah, we teachers, we really play an important role and people miss us. Yeah, let's watch this.
Stress. Center of the chest.
Greetings everyone. Namaskar. Alka ma'am has been teaching in the school since 1994. She has a long association of about 27 years with the school. She joined the school as a PRT science teacher and now promoted as TGT science. Her contribution to develop scientific temperament among the students has been really wonderful. I would always remember her as a teacher who would demonstrate to the students a lot of activities and projects and keep the students involved in the teaching learning process. Also, her contribution towards participation of students in the zonal activities or district activities was really commendable because she would put all her efforts towards the excellence of performance of students in these competitions. So I so well remember that one incident where we were not able to complete the project during school hours and the project had to be put up for the competition the very next day. So I asked her, ma'am, how are you going to complete?
Ma'am, just a minute, ma'am. Actually, laptop got switched off. Yeah, just a minute.
Idna, do we have time? Can we do something else till then, or you're going to recontinue? Okay.
Just a second only. I'm playing.
All right, ma'am.
Project during school hours and the project had to be put up for the competition the very next day. So I asked her, ma'am, how are you going to complete the project now? So she told that, ma'am, I'm going to take the student who is involved in this project to my home. So she went to the extent of taking that student to her home, preparing the student for the competition at her home, and which shows the immense dedication she had towards her work. Even if the competitions were held on a holiday, she would be always there to be with the students, to guide the students, and we are so glad that students have won so many positions, have secured the first position in several science competitions. Alka ma'am, we wish you good health and we wish you a wonderful and prosperous future. Please do visit the school whenever convenient. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Resourceful and innovative, sowing the seeds of knowledge, building sound foundations is what describes our dear Alka ma'am. The students have learned immensely under your umbrella of expertise. Working tirelessly and shaping young minds is what Alka ma'am has been doing for so many years. Experimenting with them, experimenting for them has been her absolute motto in the classroom. I've always enjoyed the activities that she's conducted for solar system or teaching the lunar and solar eclipse with children dramatizing on and off. So today, as we bid farewell, do not count the candles, ma'am, you have blown, but the light that you have given to your students. May you receive the greatest of joys and everlasting bliss in the company of your family, friends, in your second innings. Have a shining time in your second innings. God bless you, Alka ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, my dear MAMS family, Namaste. Today, you all have gathered here to give a grand farewell to our beloved teacher, Mrs. Alka Goyal. My association with her is not new. When I joined the school, she was teaching primary section and she was teaching maths. She started visiting biology lab when her daughter Shreya was preparing a model for the science exhibition. One day I told her, very casually I told her, Alka, you have to make a poster for the science exhibition. She made it and the model was selected in the exhibition. Then she started teaching science and I told her that अलका प्राइमरी के बच्चों से मॉडल बनवाओ. हमारे स्कूल के बच्चों ने कभी भी प्राइमरी के बच्चों ने कभी मॉडल एग्जीबिशन में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया और मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये सब पार्टिसिपेट करें और तुम उनसे बनवाओ. फर्स्ट शी वाज लिटिल नर्वस, देन शी सेड यस मैडम आई विल डू इट. और उसके बाद अलका मैडम ने पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखा. हर साल उन्होंने बच्चों से मॉडल बनवाए, प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाई, स्टेट लेवल एग्जीबिशन और साइंस कांग्रेस में हर साल उनको सफलता प्राप्त हुई. For me, she was always a student. She always followed my advice. I have many memorable incidences with her. One of them is very interesting and I want to share with you. एक बार मैं जब बायो लैब में आई तो देखा कि बच्चे मॉडल्स बना रहे हैं और सब कुछ इधर उधर पड़ा है और लैब जो है वो काफी अनटाइडी और गंदी लग रही थी. मैंने बच्चों को डांटना शुरू कर दिया और उसी समय कहा कि तुम सब ठीक करो तब तुम यहाँ से जाओगे. अलका मैडम भी वहीं थी बच्चों के साथ. दे ऑल स्टार्टेड क्लीनिंग द लैब एंड उन्होंने बिल्कुल लैब साफ कर दी और अलका मैडम ने भी उनको पूरी हेल्प की. सो दिस शोड हर डेडिकेशन एंड दिस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी विच I appreciate a lot. Alka, I wish you all the best for your future life. Thanks.
Thank you, Wendy ma'am.
How delightful and fascinating it was to work with you, both Neelam Pubucha madam and Alka Goyal madam. Your retirement is a reward for the patience and the tolerance you showed all your teaching career. Thank you, Alka madam, for the time and the effort you spent helping me succeed as a better person. First time when I came across you that I recall and still embedded deeply as a sweet memory of MAMS family was a trip to Pondicherry in year 99, October. Then interacting during the usual science department events and meetings was a routine. As an ATL member, teaching and learning was also unforgettable moment, especially during the inauguration September 1, 2018 CPR drill you demonstrated through your children of class 4. So effectively that everyone appreciated very much. Need not mention of the personal relationship that you carried with everyone and me. You are retiring rich. You are living with the priceless gifts of our respect, memories, loyalty and love. Congratulations. Now you have a lot of free time. Spend it with your family and friends. Live happy and healthy life. Thank you.
As we are here to show our memories with some memorable people. As far as I know about Alka ma'am, I would like to say that she is one of the most likable person I have ever met. She is sincere, wise, and always ready to take up any activity or competitions, even if given randomly. For the students, really, the active participation in all the projects and her contribution to science department is immense. We have often sought her guidance and will continue looking forward to her for her suggestions. I wish her good luck for her all the endeavors. We'll miss you, Alka ma'am. All the best.
Thank you.
I've always known you as a happy-go-lucky person around. A person who has always worn a pleasant smile on her face, whether I've met you in school or outside. Your liveliness and your vibrance has been your forte. No, you have never hesitated. I remember you've never hesitated in asking or clarifying any doubts, no matter whomsoever you had to approach to. Your absence in the school premises was no doubt going to leave a void which would be difficult to fulfill or overcome. But our heart and soul are always going to stay connected. You have worked hard for this day, And I wish you all the best for the next part of the journey of your life. Wish you all the joy and happiness, and may each forthcoming day of your life remains as amazing as it had been in the school. All the best, Alka.
Thank you.
Hello, Alka ma'am. One of the active members of Science Department. You are a wonderful person. Interacting with you is always a fun, ma'am. You are the person with a positive approach towards life. We will miss you a lot, ma'am, and wish you a very happy journey. Have a very successful life ahead.
Alka ma'am has not only been a colleague, but also has been like an elder sister for me. She has always been extremely professional and a very hardworking person. She has a brilliant mind and always brought creative new ideas to the school and to the department. She has not only been a fantastic colleague, but also has been a true friend to me. Many a times we had differences, but they were just momentary. The moments we shared and the memories we made, especially Alka ma'am, while coming back from the school in the car, will always be remembered and cherished. I'll always miss you, ma'am, but this isn't goodbye, as I know you'll keep in touch. In the end, I would like to say retirement is one of those major life milestones that mark the end of one chapter and start of another. So, my dear Alka ma'am, enjoy your days of sleeping late and doing nothing. All the best for your future, ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am. It's your retirement, but retirement is a time to enjoy all the things, all your hobbies which you never had time when you worked. It is a beginning of the new highway. It is not the end of the road. I wish you lots of joyous time with your family. Happy retirement, ma'am. Thank you.
Retirement. Time goes by so fast. It's so hard to believe. It's time for your retirement. Time for feeling free. You have worked so very hard to make this dream come true. And no one deserves it any more than you. You have had some rough times. You made it through them all. You made the best of what life brings, and today you are standing tall. I wish you days of happiness. I hope your retirement years are the best years of your life. Dear Alka ma'am, there are no goodbyes for us. Wherever you are, you will always be in my heart. I will miss you, Alka ma'am. If you just notice, I am making this video from the biology lab. Few years ago, when we used to go ahead with the competitions, you were my best mate. We used to prepare the exhibits, models together. You used to escort the junior students. I used to guide and prepare the senior most students for the exhibits, and we had such good interaction. The bond that we shared, the kind of frequency we managed, it is just so amazing. Alka ma'am, I will.
Hello Alka ma'am. I wish you all the very best for the new phase in your life. All these years you've been a great mentor and a very supporting colleague. We'll all miss you a lot. And I just would, this thing would be incomplete without, mentioning the fact that you've always been so very enthusiastic about the exhibitions. Anytime any circular would come, and we knew that yes, Alka ma'am would be the first to participate. Your enthusiasm has always been so motivating for all of us. We will miss you, Alka ma'am, but nevertheless, wishing you all the best for a very happy journey ahead.
Hello, Alka ma'am. Many congratulations on your retirement. आपको जब भी कॉरिडोर में देखती थी ना, एक बड़ा अच्छा सा, एक बड़ी वार्मथ वाली फीलिंग आती थी. आप इतने प्यार से हक करते थे, पूछते थे कैसी है, बच्चे कैसे हैं, तो एक बड़ा अपनापन सा लगता था. आपको बहुत मिस करेंगे, बट अच्छा है कि अब आप वो सब चीज़ें कर पाओगी जो आप काफ़ी टाइम से करना चाहती हो. खूब मज़े करना, बहुत बहुत एंजॉय करना, सारी हॉबीज परस्यू करना, और हाँ, हमें कभी मत भूलना। मिलने आते रहना। थैंक यू, बाय।
अलका मैम, मेरे खराब से गले से एक अच्छी सी विदाई। अलका मैम, आप याद बहुत आओगे। 7:50 पे आपका तेज तेज कदमों से स्कूल में आना, कभी फर्स्ट ए के डोर के पीछे साड़ी ठीक करना, तो कभी काउंसलर रूम में जाकर बाल बनाना, असेंबली में जाने से पहले मेडिकल रूम में जाके सॉक्स पहनना, या कुंदन सर के रूम में जाकर मॉडल के लिए कबाड़ इकट्ठा करना, और सब कुछ करने के बाद स्टाफ रूम में जाकर डबल डिप वाली चाय बनाना। जहाँ नजर दौड़ाएंगे अलका मैम, आप ही नजर आओगे, याद बहुत आओगे। With lots of love and respect, wish you a very healthy and happy retired life.
स्वागतम, नमस्कार। मैम नीलम पाहूजा सन 2001 से महाराजा अग्रसेन मॉडल स्कूल में कार्यरत हैं। मैम ने लगभग 21 वर्ष स्कूल में बच्चों को पढ़ाया लिखाया है, और हमें बहुत खुशी है इस बात की कि उन्होंने हमेशा बच्चों को बहुत ही सरल ढंग से और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वे से बच्चों को क्लास में पढ़ाया है, और स्टूडेंट्स हमेशा उनकी क्लास में बहुत इंटरेस्ट से उनकी हर क्लास को अटेंड करते थे, क्योंकि मैम हर क्लास में हर चैप्टर को बहुत सरल तरीके से और एक नाटक के माध्यम से बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाती थी, सिखाती थी। मैं नीलम मैम को बहुत याद करूंगी, क्योंकि एनुअल डेज में जब भी स्क्रिप्ट लिखने का काम होता था तो नीलम मैम स्क्रिप्ट लिखने का काम बखूबी निभाती थी। चाहे हमने एनुअल डे किया युगावली या हमने एनुअल डे किया दिल्ली, मैम आपने स्क्रिप्ट लिखने में इतना बढ़िया योगदान दिया, और आपने बच्चों को इतनी बढ़िया ट्रेनिंग दी एनुअल डे में परफॉर्म करने के लिए। ये स्कूल के लिए आपने बहुत उत्तम कार्य किए हैं, और हम आपको हमेशा आपके बढ़िया काम के लिए याद करेंगे। आई विश a healthy life. I wish Neelam ma'am a happy and prosperous future. Ma'am, please do visit school whenever it is convenient to you. Thank you so much.
नील गगन का हो तुम अनंत विस्तार, सागर नीला अपरंपार, चंचल लहरों का तुम हो अप्रतिम संसार। सबको स्नेहिल नमस्कार। हमारी प्रिय नीलम मैम के लिए कुछ अभिव्यक्ति हिंदी में। नीलम, आप अनमोल हो, अपने नाम से भी अपने काम से भी। जीवन को आपने बहुमूल्य नीलम सा बनाया अपने गहन संघर्ष से। अपने विषय की पारंगत तो हैं ही आप, हिंदी ही नहीं अंग्रेजी पर भी है आपकी पकड़। जीवन की हर चुनौती को आपने संघर्ष से हर्ष स्वीकारा। ये आपके व्यक्तित्व की विलक्षणता है, जो आप बच्चों के प्रति अपने कर्तव्य में बहुत सजग हैं। अपने शिक्षण कार्य को दक्षता व पूर्ण ईमानदारी से निभाया आपने। आप सरल हृदय, भावुक व मधुर स्वभाव की स्वामिनी हैं। आपके मधुर स्वभाव व आपने स्नेह और मिलनसारिता से जिस तरह सभी के हृदय को अभिभूत किया है, वह सराहनीय है। आपके उज्जवल कामना करते हुए सब आप उत्तम स्वास्थ्य की ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हैं। आप दीर्घायु हो, आपकी सभी मनोकामनाएं, सभी संचित स्वप्न साकार हो। हम सभी की ओर से सहस्त्रों शुभकामनाएं। नमस्कार।
Until we meet again, we think about you always, we talk about you still. You have never been forgotten and you never will. We hold you close within our hearts, and there you will remain to walk and guide us through our times. Until we meet again. Neelam ma'am, some people, they do come into our lives and they just quickly go. But people like you, they stay for a while. They leave their footprints on our hearts and stay forever in our memories. We will miss you, Neelam ma'am. You are one person with a golden heart and a beautiful soul. God bless you, ma'am. Wish you very, very happy retirement years. May you be very healthy and stay with your loved ones. Just spend the best of your times, which you always missed while working. There will be no stress and live that beautiful life with your loved ones. Ma'am, do come us, meet us, talk to that, yes, text, but stay connected. Thank you so much, Neela ma'am. Take care.
Thank you.
नीलम, she really means a lot to me. हम दोनों ने इकट्ठा ज्वाइन किया था और I still remember the day when I met with an accident, you know, in the school. She was the one who was there with me all the time, and even in the ambulance, even when I was taken to the Max, she was there with me by my side in the emergency, telling me all the time, Vinita, sab theek ho jayega, you need not worry about it. And yes, certainly everything went well by the grace of God. और वो भी दिन याद है जब मैंने 6 महीने बाद when I was on the bed rest, you know, for 6 months after my injury, she was the one who drove me to the school for the first time after the accident and after my recovery. Or so, I mean, you can very well understand what she really means to me, you know. Since the life has to move on, she has to move on. But I would certainly be missing her a lot. I wish her all the very best. May she really have a blessed life ahead and lots of happiness in the years to come. Thank you so much. And
नमस्कार नीलम मैम, हमारी प्यारी सी वन ऑफ आवर बेस्ट कोलीग्स। 20 सालों तक आपके साथ उठने बैठने और काम करने के बाद आपका मुस्कुराता चेहरा, आपकी एनर्जी, आपकी पॉजिटिविटी, आपकी काइंडनेस हमें हमेशा आपकी याद दिलाते रहेंगे। आप एक लविंग, केयरिंग और एक अच्छी मेंटर भी हैं। वी आर ब्लेस्ड टू हैव अ वेरी नाइस फ्रेंड लाइक यू। थैंक यू मैम फॉर योर मार्वलस कंपनी। आपका जो टीचिंग प्रोफेशन के लिए पैशन है वो भी लाजवाब है। आपने जो अपना प्रोफेशनल एंड पर्सनल लाइफ में बैलेंस बना के रखा है वह कमेंडेबल है। और साथ ही जब भी हमें अपने पर्सनल या प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में गाइडेंस की ज़रूरत पड़ी तो आप हमेशा हमारे साथ थी और उम्मीद करती हूँ आगे भी ऐसे ही अवेलेबल रहेंगी। आप अगर अपना टेन्योर कंप्लीट कर पाती तो हमें और समय मिलता आपके साथ रहने और आपसे नई चीज़ें सीखने का, लेकिन हम आपके कंसिडर्ड डिसीजन की रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं। हम आपको गुड हेल्थ, गुड लक और सक्सेस फॉर द न्यू चैप्टर ऑफ योर लाइफ एज अ यंग दादी विश करते हैं। ईश्वर आपको अपनी दिली इच्छा को पूरा करने का समय और सामर्थ्य दे। एंड में मैं यही कहूंगी, इफ यू गिव इनफ टू से गुड बाय, लाइफ विल रिवॉर्ड यू with a new hello. Thank you. Bye Neelam ma'am.
दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं। दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं,
मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं। रातें और जवानी एक दिन खो जाती है, सच कहता हूँ सारी दुनिया दुश्मन हो जाती है। दौलत और जवानी एक दिन खो जाती है, सच कहता हूँ सारी दुनिया दुश्मन हो जाती है। उम्र भर दोस्त लेकिन साथ चलते हैं, हाँ 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 दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़े मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं।
आदरणीय प्राचार्य जी, उप प्रधानाचार्य जी, सादर प्रणाम। आपके साक्ष्य हम एक भजन प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं।
बाजे रे मुरलिया बाजे रे मुरलिया बाजे, अधर धरे
That I'm able to see you on this day of retirement. You've been my maths teacher in 6th standard, but the learning and guidance still continues. Our relationship never ended. you have been a major building block to what I am today. I completely agree that a guru is above God, as you showed me a path to what I am today. I congratulate you for this big day, and you're very healthy next phase of life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for everything. You are best, awesome, and fantastic. Ma'am, whenever there is an issue, I used to come to you, and you always clears my issue so nicely. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being so friendly with me. I love you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Happy life of retirement, ma'am. You will never be forgettable, ma'am.
कभी कभी हमारे जीवन में ऐसे पल आते हैं कि हमारे पास कहने को तो बहुत कुछ होता है पर शब्द कम पड़ जाते हैं। मैम, आज आपके स्कूल से जाते वक्त मैं ऐसा ही महसूस कर रही हूँ। आपने हमेशा हमारी गलतियों को सुधारा और अपने आशा एवं समर्थन वाले शब्दों से हमें प्रोत्साहित किया। आपने हमेशा ही एक अच्छे शिक्षक और सच्चे मार्गदर्शक की भांति न केवल अपने विषय में अपितु अन्य विषयों में भी हमारा मार्गदर्शन किया। हमने आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखा है। हमारा मार्गदर्शन करने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और आपके भविष्य के लिए हमारी तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार, मैं अर्पिता बजाज कक्षा 9वीं सी की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं हमारी हिंदी अध्यापिका नीलम मैम के लिए एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है क्या इतना ही था आपका और हमारा साथ। क्या इतना ही था आपका और हमारा साथ, क्या इतनी जल्दी पढ़ाना छोड़ दोगे हमें आप। हमारी हिंदी थी बेकार, उसमें लाए आपने कई सुधार। बहुत कुछ है आपने हमें सिखाया, सफलता का मार्ग आपने हमें दिखाया। बस यही रहेगा गम कि एक साल भी ना पढ़ पाए आपसे हम। बहुत आएगी हमें आपकी याद, क्या होगा हमारी हिंदी का आपके पढ़ाने छोड़ देने के बाद। क्या इतना ही था आपका और हमारा साथ, क्या इतनी जल्दी हमें पढ़ाना छोड़ दोगे आप। धन्यवाद।
प्रिय अध्यापिका, आज हमें आपके जाने से जो दुख हो रहा है उसको हम व्यक्त नहीं कर सकते। हम बहुत भाग्यशाली थे जो हमें आप जैसे अध्यापक का ये साथ मिला। आपने हमें अपने ज्ञान रूपी प्रकाश से प्रकाशित किया। जो ज्ञान आपने हमें दिया है उसके लिए मैं आपका धन्यवाद व्यक्त करती हूँ। आप हमेशा ही हमारे लिए एक बेहतरीन शिक्षक रहेंगी। हम आपको और आपके इस अद्भुत शिक्षण कौशल को सदा याद रखेंगे। धन्यवाद।
नीलम मैम, आपके रिटायरमेंट लेने के डिसीजन को हम कुछ ऐसा मानते हैं कि वक्त की हो धूप या तेज हो आंधियां, कुछ कदमों के निशान कभी नहीं खोते। जिन्हें याद करके मुस्कुरा दें आंखें, वो लोग कभी दूर नहीं होते। विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी एंड हेल्दी लाइफ अहेड। पर जाते जाते एक हिंदी का दोहा हमसे भी सुन के जाइए। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेते लेते अलग होने के डिसीजन का किया उड़दंगा। कहत रीटा क्या करेंगे वो बच्चे जब आके नहीं दिखेगा उनका बड़ा मलिंगा।
नमस्कार, प्रणाम, अभिनंदन। आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, उप प्रधानाचार्य जी एवं मेरे प्रिय सहकर्मीगण, जैसा कि हमें अभी दीपा मैम, अंजलि मैम, प्रिंसिपल मैम और सिमी मैम ने बताया कि आज हम सब श्रीमती अलका गोयल एवं श्रीमती नीलम पाहुजा मैम को भावभीनी विदाई देने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। सर्वप्रथम मैं अपनी प्रधानाचार्य जी का आभार व्यक्त करना चाहूँगी, जिन्होंने मुझे इस शुभ अवसर पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करने का मौका दिया। माना कि यह दौर बदलते जाएंगे, आप जाएंगे तो कोई और आएंगे, मगर आप दोनों की कमी दिल में हमेशा बनी रहेगी। सच कहते हैं अलका मैम और नीलम मैम आपको कभी भूल नहीं पाएंगे। साथियों, आज हमारे बीच में से दो ऐसे व्यक्तित्व दूर हो रहे हैं जिन्होंने अपने कार्य क्षेत्र में बड़ी कुशलता एवं निष्ठा से कार्य किया है। श्रीमती अलका गोयल ने 1 जुलाई 1994 को एवं श्रीमती नीलम पाहूजा ने 2 जुलाई 2001 को महाराजा अग्रसेन परिवार से अपना संबंध जोड़ा था। विद्यालय के ये दोनों ही ऐसे व्यक्तित्व हैं जिन्होंने हमेशा अपने कर्तव्यों के प्रति सजग रहकर अपने सभी दायित्वों का निर्वहन भली भांति किया है। इनका हंसमुख एवं मृदुभाषी स्वभाव तथा परस्पर विनम्रता से रहने की प्रवृत्ति सभी के मन को मोह लेती है। अपने सेवा काल के दौरान सबके साथ मिल बांटकर खाना और भरपूर सहयोग एवं बंधुता से कार्य करना इनके जीवन शैली का हिस्सा रहे हैं। अलका मैम और नीलम मैम, हम सब आपके बेहतर भविष्य और स्वास्थ्य के लिए ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आपकी आने वाली जिंदगी स्वस्थ, मस्त, खुशहाल और समृद्ध रहे। तमन्नाओं से भरी हो जिंदगी, ख्वाहिशों से भरा हो हर पल, दामन भी छोटा लगने लगे, इतनी खुशियां दे आपको आने वाला कल। कहते हैं खूबसूरत से पल का एक किस्सा बन जाता है, जाने कब कौन जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाता है। कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में जिनसे कभी ना बिछड़ने वाला रिश्ता बन जाता है। धन्यवाद मैम।
धन्यवाद मैम। सेवा काल के दौरान सभी के साथ मिल बांटकर खाना, सबका सहयोग करना आपकी आदत है। विशेष रूप से परोपकार की भावना आपके हृदय में कूट कूट कर भरी हुई है। दूसरे शब्दों में कहूँ कि आप करुणा, दया, सेवा की साक्षात प्रतिमा है, जिसे मैंने स्वयं अपने अंतःकरण से अनुभव किया है। आज आप एक परिवार से विदा होकर एक सच्चा रिश्ता कायम करके जा रही हैं। आपके साथ बिताए हुए पल हमेशा याद आएंगे। अब मैं श्रीमती नीलम जी से निवेदन करूंगी कि वे अपने शुभ वचनों से हमें कृतार्थ करें। श्रीमती नीलम जी।
Respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am and all my friends, सबसे पहले तो मैं आप सबका धन्यवाद करती हूँ और आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ कि आप सब ने अपने अमूल्य समय में से कुछ पल निकाले ताकि मुझे अंतिम अलविदा कह सकें। मेरे लिए तो ये बहुत भावुक क्षण है कि मैं लगभग 1 साल पहले ही आप सबको छोड़कर जा रही हूँ। कभी कभी हम जो सोचते हैं वह होता ही नहीं है। मेरे पास तो आप सबका धन्यवाद करने के लिए शब्द ही नहीं है, क्योंकि हर अच्छे और बुरे समय में आप सब एक परिवार की तरह मेरा सहारा बनकर खड़े रहे। प्रिंसिपल मैम, वाइस प्रिंसिपल मैम के प्रति मैं विशेष आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ, क्योंकि उनके सहयोग के बिना मैं शायद अपने उत्तरदायित्वों को कभी भी पूरा नहीं कर पाती, चाहे वह विद्यालय था या घर। यूं तो मैंने रोहतक, चंडीगढ़, पटना में भी काम किया, पर जो पारिवारिक संबंध आप सबसे जुड़े वे मेरी अंतिम सांस तक मुझे अपने पर गर्व करने का अवसर देते रहेंगे। आप जैसे मित्र हर पल मेरे आसपास थे। आप सभी का मेरे दिल में विशेष स्थान है। आप सब के द्वारा दिए गए सहयोग से मैं इस जीवन में तो कभी ऋणी नहीं हो सकती। हाँ, अगले जन्म में शायद ऋण चुका पाने का अवसर मिले। Yes, I'm going to speak one poem, I think, which is appropriate on this occasion. A moment arrived, I stood at a crossroad and a difficult path. The option to choose between the two roads that I have seemed one was challenging and beckoning me to hard. The other road fiercely enticed me to listen to my heart. Suddenly felt a powerful hand thrust me forward and wide. On the other hand, my own pulled me to their preferred side. I was just transfixed to such a strange and unusual eternity, thought about whether to move ahead or listen to my fraternity. Decision was tough and no doubt was extremely heartbreaking, but resolved to step down, which was for me quite overwhelming. Now I look back and have unlimited thoughts and feeling to express. I know words are not enough and my thoughts will remain unsaid. Walking back now down my memory lane. Oh, please wait. I remember the momentous moment walking inside the MMS gate, a warm and welcome smile that you all showered on me, immemorable moments henceforth we spent together. Your love, affection, and support were those always forever. Now there is a lot also to say about my outstanding colleagues. Each one stands here together as a group of talented breeds. Now have I seen such people who are madly motivated, fortunate to have worked with people so diligently and dedicated. How can I not mention the hand holding of my beautiful friends? To have Vinita, Ashima, Vibha, Suchi, Anjali, Sunita, Chetna, Upasana, Daisy, Vasudha, Neha, Monica, Priyanka, Sudhi, Karuna, Jyoti. No less, the list is endless. Above all, my soul is heavy to leave my lovely little hearts. Surely will miss their agility, talent, haha noise, and lovely smiles. Seems I have walked and walked with them for never ending miles. Saying a goodbye, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and to all, I really just do not wish, rather, I want to treasure every moment spent here and cherish. Hope I have not ever consciously caused hurt to anyone. If really done, that is by mistake. So please, pardon me once it really done. Keep me forever in your heart and your little thoughts. Must I say once again, Team MMS is an outstanding lot. Yours, Neelam. Thank you.
धन्यवाद मैम। खुशी भरे एहसास के इन शानदार पलों के बीच मैं माननीय उप प्रधानाचार्य जी से निवेदन करूंगी कि वे अपने विचारों से हमारा मार्गदर्शन करें। मैम, प्रधानाचार्य जी, सिमी मैम प्लीज।
Hello, good evening everyone. Anjali ma'am, Principal ma'am and Vice Principal ma'am, everyone, good afternoon. I just want to say a few things. I was just waiting for my name. I'm Rekha Jain. Neelam ma'am, I think you are just thinking who is speaking right now. So myself, Rekha Jain, I was just waiting. My name will be announced and then I will speak something for both of you. May I speak, ma'am?
Yes, please. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Dear Alka and Neelam. आज आप दोनों भी MAMS बगिया से विदा ले रही हैं। मैं देख रही हूँ आप दोनों के चेहरों को, जहाँ खुशी और संतुष्टि के भाव हैं। क्यों ना हो, जब काम मन लगाकर किया हो तो खुद में एक अलग तरह की आनंद की अनुभूति होती है। जिंदगी का एक लंबा और खूबसूरत सा सफर बस याद में सिमट गया। हम ऐसा करते हैं, हम ऐसा करते थे में बदल गया। वो भी एक दौर था, जीकर निकल गया। नीलम मैम, मेरी बेटी कई बार आपके बारे में बोलती थी कि मम्मी नीलम मैम हिंदी की टीचर हैं, लेकिन उनकी इंग्लिश पर भी बहुत अच्छी कमांड है। और तब मेरा बेटा बोलता था कि मैम ना विनीता मैम और आशिमा मैम के साथ रहती है ना, तो उन्हें तो इंग्लिश बोलनी पड़ती है। थी अच्छी कमांड। खैर, ये एक मजाक की बात रही। आपके साथ तो कभी काम करने का बहुत अच्छा अवसर नहीं मिला। अधिकतर एक मुस्कान के साथ हाय हेलो होती थी, जो मुझे हमेशा याद रहेगी। अलका मैम, मैम नहीं, ये मुझे कभी मैम लगी नहीं, ये हमेशा मुझे अपनी बहन जैसी ही लगती थी। पिछले कई सालों से कई इवेंट्स में इनके साथ काम किया, को सेक्शन टीचर भी रही। इन्हें नजदीक से जानने का अवसर मिला। मैंने उनसे जो कुछ सीखा उसमें से कुछ आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूंगी। सबसे पहले तो जब हम बात करते थे ना इंग्लिश होती थी ना हिंदी होती थी, जैसे नीलम और विनीता मैम इंग्लिश हिंदी करते होंगे। ये सौभाग्य तो हरियाणवी भाषा को मिलता था। अलका से जब भी मैं कोई काम पूछती, अलका ये काम कर लिया, तो अलका का जवाब होता था थम जा, बड़े शांति ले लेंदे, कर दूंगी, टेंशन मत ले। और वह काम समय से पहले बहुत अच्छे तरीके से करती थी। इसके बाद मेरी बोलती बंद। क्यों अलका, ठीक है ना? एक और चीज, अलका अपनी क्लास में काफी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करवाती थी, मैं भी करवाती थी, माने करवाती हूँ। लेकिन उसको देखकर एक पॉजिटिव कंपटीशन रहता था कि मेरी क्लास में भी सभी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स हो जाने चाहिए, मेरी क्लास के बच्चे अलका के क्लास के बच्चों से पीछे न रह जाएं। जब हम रिवीजन करवाते थे तो अपने अपने तरीके से करवाते थे, लेकिन बीच बीच में मैं अलका के सेक्शन के बच्चों की नोटबुक भी देखती थी और कई बार मुझे कई क्वेश्चंस में लगता था कि यह क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा है, कुछ हटके अलग तरीके से पूछा गया है, तो मैं वह क्वेश्चन भी अपनी क्लास में करवा देती थी। इस तरह से मेरे पास वैरायटी ऑफ क्वेश्चंस हो जाते थे। अलका का क्वेश्चन पेपर, टीचर्स डायरी मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती थी। मुझे दोनों ही चीजें बहुत पसंद थी, कुछ अलग कुछ खास सा होता था उनमें। अलका को अपने साइंस के टॉपिक्स अच्छे से क्लियर होते थे और जहां उसे लगता था कि ये चीज मुझे नहीं आती है या कुछ भी नया देखती थी, सुनती थी, उसे हर नई चीज को जानने की भूख सी रहती थी। अच्छा ये क्या चीज है, मुझे तो नहीं आती, मुझे सीखनी है, चाहे सीनियर टीचर से हेल्प लेनी पड़े, नेट से हेल्प लेनी पड़े। उस चीज को जब तक जान नहीं लेती थी, सीख नहीं लेती थी, इसे चैन नहीं पड़ता था। जब सीख जाती थी तो शांति बढ़ती थी कि ठीक है अब मुझे ये काम आ गया है। एक और चीज, अलका जो भी अपने बच्चों को सिखाती थी, उन्हें वो हमेशा याद रहता था। ऐसे बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट मेरे साथ हुए हैं, मैंने खुद एक्सपीरियंस किया। उनमें से एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंट जो मेरे साथ अभी हुआ, मैं अभी एक क्लास में 5th D क्लास में, ऑनलाइन क्लास में एक एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करवा रही थी। तो एक लड़की है वहाँ पर, हिमांशी, उसने कहा मैम ये हमने इसमें से ये एक एक्टिविटी तो हमने की हुई है, बाकी ये कुछ नई आप करवा रहे हो। तो मुझे लगा मैंने तो ये एक्टिविटी करवाई नहीं, आपने कब की? तो उसने बोला मैम लास्ट ईयर ऑनलाइन क्लास में अलका मैम ने हमें बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज करवाई थी। ये सुनकर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि बच्चे ऑनलाइन क्लास में भी मन लगाते हैं यदि टीचर कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग सी एक्टिविटीज करवाए तो। अलका मेरे लिए आपके लिए मेरे पास आपके लिए कहने के लिए बहुत कुछ है, लेकिन मैं यहाँ जो भी कुछ बोल रही हूँ वह सब मैं समय समय पर अलका को भी बोलती रही हूँ, उसकी क्वालिटीज बताती रही हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा ये मानना है अगर आप किसी के गुणों की प्रशंसा करते हो तो वह गुण आप में भी आ जाते हैं। मैं इस मंच के माध्यम से एक बात और कहना चाहती हूँ कि हम सबको एक दूसरे की प्रेज करनी चाहिए, उससे काम करने वाले का मनोबल बढ़ता है। तारीफ करने के लिए रिटायरमेंट की प्रतीक्षा नहीं करनी चाहिए। अब कुछ बातें अनऑफिशियल। अलका एक बहुत अच्छी कुक भी है। अलका की कई डिश स्टाफ रूम में फेमस थी, डिमांड पर रहती थी। कभी उपासना ने, कभी विभा ने, कभी किसी और ने कहना अलका बहुत दिन हो गए कुलचे वाले छोले नहीं खिलाए, कड़ी नहीं खिलाई, आदि आदि, लिस्ट तो एंडलेस है। और वो चीजें अगले दिन सभी के लिए टेबल पर होती थी। अलका, हमें ये सब बातें, ये सब चीजें बहुत याद आएंगी। अलका और नीलम, आज आप स्कूल को, अपनी कर्म भूमि को छोड़कर एक नई कर्म भूमि की रचना करने जा रही हो। इसमें आपको सफलता मिले। अंत में मैं आप दोनों के सुख, स्वस्थ, सुंदर जीवन की कामना करती हूँ। बीते हुए लम्हों की रात हो जाए, आंखों से ही हो जाए, पर आज बरसात तो होगी। डेली फेस टू फेस तब ना मिल पाए तो क्या, डेली फेस टू फेस ना मिल पाए तो क्या, फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप पर मुलाकात तो होगी, फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप पर मुलाकात तो होगी। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू रेखा। Ma'am, this is Vinita. If you allow, I would just like to speak a very few words about Alka. Ma'am, if you allow me, please, I would like to speak a very few words on Alka.
हाँ जी विनीता मैम प्लीज।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
हाँ
Thank
जी।
you so much, ma'am. And I am sitting with Neelam only here at her place. And good evening, everybody. Since I haven't spoken anything about Alka, and I mean, in my heart, this is what I was feeling, that I am really doing something wrong if I don't speak anything about Alka. Everybody has spoken about her scientific skills and so many other things. She is definitely a wonderful cook. देखा ने अभी बोल ही दिया. और जो उसकी dishes होती हैं इतनी yum preparations, I mean, couldn't even imagine to make all that, no. Most importantly, I would like to add one thing over here, that she is a pillar of strength for her family, and that's the most important part of her character, of her personality. That is what she is for her family. I mean, since she always talks about her husband, her son, her daughters, and how much they trust her. I mean, that's really, I mean, very heart touching, very heartwarming, and very motivating for all the women over here. Okay, that she is the pillar of strength for her family. Alka, stay like this, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay joyous in all the years to come. Thank you so much. Love you a lot.
Thank you Vinita so much.
Thank you, Vinita ma'am. Now, we have already requested our worthy vice principal ma'am to come forward and to say something. But there is a request like
there
from
was a glitch with the muting. I could not mute my mic at that time, so I'm here.
all right. So, ma'am, you are here. Welcome to say something.
Thank
To
you.
it.
I hope you can hear me.
Yes, you are all.
Yes.
Both my dear friends, you've worked real hard. You've come this far, and I hope you know how blessed you are. New tomorrows, brand new plans, all of them are in God's hands. You'll be having more hours in a day now to hope, to dream, to rest, to play. You will find new ways to be inspired. Congratulations. I would not say you have retired. You start your new innings soon. कैसे विस्मृत कर पाएंगे आपके ज्ञान को? हृदय भीति पर लिखी रहेंगी सारी बातें प्यार की. Is all I need to say. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Being a family means you are part of something and be loved for the rest of your life, no matter what. And now there is a beautiful selection of some emotions of Alka ma'am's and Neela ma'am's family members. So now let's get them, because we really want to listen what are they having, what they want to speak on this important thing. So may I request all the family members to say something? Yeah, Shreya is there.
Thank you so much, everyone, for inviting us for this meeting. Congratulations, Neela ma'am, for starting your new journey soon. I would like to say that this is a very important day, just not for my mother, but for our entire family. As I look back in her life, I see that all the hard work, dedication she had in her mind to provide best to her children, to best to her students. And I've always seen her juggling between the private life and her professional responsibilities, and still never letting anything to slip. For me, you are a perfect example of a professional and a housemaker. Congratulations on this new journey.
Thank you, Shreya बेटा.
इस टाइम 3 बच्चे हैं, तीनों बाहर. ये दूसरी लड़की है.
Um,
Yes, Shiva, whatever you want to.
I believe that Disha is facing certain network issues.
yeah, can everyone hear me? I'm sorry, there was some technical glitch my side. I'll just go very quickly. Thank you, teachers, respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, for having us here. I'll just start. The thing is that mother is the first teacher for any child. It's just not for me, but for everybody. But actually, in my case, it's theoretically very true because my mother was actually my first child, my first teacher in the school, as well as my life. Mummy, while you had the best of the attitude in front of the class, but somebody must ask me what constant teaching is like. Jokes apart, had those teachings not been there, I don't think I would have made this far. So thank you for everything. Thank you for all. Thank you for taking care for everything, every student, every child, your family, your school, your job. You are simply a hero. Before I close, actually, I'll like to say a few lines that I wrote to describe what my mother means to me. When I was down, you taught me to fight. When I was lost, you gave me sight. When I was tired, you gave me strength. When I was lonely, you became my friend. When I was nervous, you asked me to rest. When I made mistakes, you taught me the best. When I cried, you hugged me tight. In this journey of life, you're my guiding light. Um, Thank you, Mummy, for everything. And before I just hand it over to Shivang, I just want to say a few words. Neelam, ma'am, I don't think I have ever thanked you, but probably it's the golden opportunity for me to thank you for. I think I won my first inter-school competition when I was participating with you. So just thank you so
Good.
much.
Love
You
you.
have a
Love
you
you,
have a
Disha.
very good role played in my in my stage fright and whatever you call it. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Love you.
Good evening, everyone. Once again, I'd like to thank you all on behalf of the entire family for making my mom's journey so phenomenal. And believe me, as I hear her daily stories, this would not have been possible without you all. Though my mom's retirement date was fixed, but yet the feeling that she is getting retired is yet to sink in. I still can imagine MAMS without my mom, but I can't imagine my mom without MAMS. As she starts a new life, she starts the retirement journey, I would use this platform to wish her all the best. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, everyone, for making this so special. Thank you all.
Uh,
Disha.
दिशा आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी।
your voice, you're not audible. Can you check your mic?
दिशा
ज्योत्सना आ गई। ये रही है।
Hello.
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 I think there are some technical glitches. I'll start then. So finally the day has come. So we were discussing yesterday only with my mom that there are some Netflix series which are pending from last 2 months. So this Saturday and Sunday most probably will wrap them up. So my mom, obviously, like, she's the most hardworking person I've ever seen. This lockdown has been a true. यार, ऑफिस की कॉल क्यों आ जाती है? Hello. Yeah, sorry, got a call from office. Yeah, so what I was saying that my mom is the most hardworking person I've ever seen. In this lockdown, especially, we have lot of fights. What happened that lots of software, new software you were needed for, especially the literature work, and the office work was also going on. So she always used to call me, Vipul, ye dekhna zara, Vipul dekhna zara, in the meetings. And it was really a great, but I will say that this 1.5 years which she has done, hats off to her for the hard work. She used to sit on the table at 9 a.m. in the morning and she was there till 9 p.m. I used to say कि इतना तो मेरे को ऑफिस में काम नहीं होता जितना आपको काम होता है. And finally that was I am relieved now that she is free now. She being the teacher in my real sense also, I've always been in her school from the starting in till 10th class. So in 11th and 12th, I had a sigh of relief after that because frankly speaking, other children have parents teacher meeting, I think monthly or in quarter, but I used to have twice a day after lunch and in the evening. So that was my life, and it is an awesome journey from mom. She started from Rohtak, then she went to Patna, then Delhi, and everywhere I can still see her students, her friends, all miss her a lot, and that's the thing which really matters. Office, jobs, etc. are there, but the thing which matter is the how you treat others in the job, how they mingle with you, and that's the great. My mom is really great in that, and all the friends she had everywhere. Not only friends, students. Still students from Patna. They call me and ask how is Neelam ma'am. It has been more than 20 years. So that's her legacy. She leaves her legacy everywhere, and I wish her best of luck. And I know she's a little emotional today because she loves the job, and but now we have 2 kids at home. She will be she'll not miss the job that much. She'll enjoy her time with the kids, and yeah, at the last I'll say that there were many ups and downs in our life also, but mom has always helped us reach the space, particular position which we are at, and she's the best which anybody can get, and God best of luck. Yeah. At the end, I'll just say a few words from her side. अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना, मेरे जिक्र का दुआ पे स्वाद रखना, दिल के संदूकों में मेरे अच्छे काम रखना, चिट्ठी तारों में भी मेरा तू सलाम रखना, अंधेरा तेरा मैंने ले लिया मेरा उजला सितारा, तेरे नाम किया चन्ना मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे आ बेलिया ओ पिया चन्ना मेरे आ. Thank you. Yeah,
Hello,
Jyotsna. Ah, Disha. Yeah. Go ahead.
is my voice audible now?
Yeah, it's audible.
Good afternoon, everybody. Indeed it was a musical evening. It was so beautifully managed. Um, Today we have gathered here for the big day of Ma'am Alka Goyal and the most important person in my life, Neelam Pahuja. As a mother, she has been a biggest supporter, and I would like to take the opportunity that I've never thanked her for whatever she has done for us and our family. She has been very giving and forgiving. She has been the most compassionate and most nurturing person in the world. My mother has worked throughout her life. If I remember, she used to wake up before dawn and worked, used to teach her. She was a great dedicating teacher, and till date she worked late at night, and thanks to work from home, she has so many assignments to give, but she never complains. She is the one who has taught me time management, and she is the true definition of selflessness. She is the best teacher, grandmother, mother-in-law, daughter-in-law. She wears all the hats in a superb way, and she is a great teacher indeed. And we are learning and will be learning till the end. We are whatever we are today because of her. And I think it's the time now that she should enjoy her time with the grandchildren and spare some time for health also. So I think she loves her alma mater a lot, and she'll be missing all the colleagues. And I know them personally because they have been my teachers or a kind of friends in my life, because I have also passed through ma'ams like family. She gonna miss it, but will we keep on meeting them for sure. Love you, ma'am.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay, good evening. Good evening to all. Very warm good evening to all respected teachers, vice principal ma'am and principal ma'am. So few words would not be enough to express what I really feel for mama. But yes, I want to say that I really, really want to be like her. So, most of the time when a young girl is asked what she wants to be when she grows up, the answers generally lie in professions or maybe celeb names or other stereotypes. But since the day I've met Mama, I've always said I want to be like her. So I wanted to have kids like her at an early and tender age, and wanted to be a beautiful and young mom, raise a beautiful family. So you could say I wanted to be a superhero, or more specifically, a superwoman. Yes, she's got many powers. Like she's smart, she's the strongest and bravest person I know. Not many people have to start their life all over again at 50, but she did it, and she did it with grace, never missing a beat, throwing herself completely into her profession, making life as possible, as normal as possible for her kids. And I really love her for all of this. She's a fashionista, and I love her style. I agree. I must say, you all must agree here. She has always inspired me personally as well as professionally. So, Mama, you're the inspiration of all, as the way you handle both home and the office. You've earned a great retirement life. So, enjoy your weekend every day now and achieve those joys you've missed for your career. Relax and feel the life. Wish you a very, very happy retirement. And Alka auntie, for you, I must say you are a very sweet person. Whenever I meet you, I feel so jolly and happy. And आपसे तो मिलना होता रहेगा. Really, thanks to all of you for making our party a big success. Thanks for the great evening that night. Thank you so much, all.
If there is any who wants to say something, is most welcome. And it was so overwhelming, listening to all of you and realizing that it is so beautiful to be with all the family members and to listen to them on this important day. And now may I invite Alka ma'am to express herself on this important day of her. Alka ma'am, please.
Yes, Deepa. Good afternoon, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and my fellow teachers. First of all, I thank you all for gathering here to bid adieu to me after 27 years of my service. And during all these years, MAMS has become a second home to me, and the smiling faces of my students have been my lifeline. Today, as I look back, I realize that each and every member of the school has been instrumental in adding to my performance. On this important day of my life, I express my gratitude to management members, worthy principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, my staff members, and the helping staff who have always supported me. I feel deeply indebted to principal ma'am who has provided me lots of opportunities to enhance my capabilities to utmost. And being a human, I must have made many errors in my tenure, for which I feel very sorry and apologize from each member of the family. No doubt I am leaving today, but I am always a member of Maharaja Agrasen Model School and will always remain so. I will always be there whenever my institution needs me. At last, I thank you all, and before saying goodbye, I request all of you to stay safe and always be in touch. Thank you all for being my support during my tenure, and goodbye to all of you.
Thank you so much, Alka ma'am. Thank you so much. And now, after this, may I request other members of our school to say something, if anyone has to convey anything to are these adorable people, so they are most welcome. Yeah, right now I cannot, announce one by one, like anybody who is interested to say something else to convey, you're most welcome. So kindly come yourself. Before I request PC sir to propose a word of thanks.
No, Deepa ma'am, I would like to say something.
Yeah, please say.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, welcome, ma'am. Hello, Neelam, ma'am. It's like I have seen their kids in the corridor. Shivank, if you remember me, Disha. I always used to think that बच्चे ऐसे होने चाहिए, परवरिश ऐसी होनी चाहिए. They used to take step back moment they used to see any teacher entering the staff room or anything. So that was a thing I loved in both these ladies. Best values which a mother can give to their kids. Am I right? So that was the best thing. And entering the staff room, moment you will enter the staff room, Neelam ma'am smile. Acha Sudhi, ye le lo. Or Alka ma'am, Sudhi, how's your daughter? I will never forget this. Always stay blessed, Neelam ma'am, Alka ma'am. Thank you, Deepa ma'am.
Yeah, okay. After Sudhi ma'am, is there anyone else who has to say something? You're most welcome.
Yes, hi ma'am. I want to say something. Bhavna this side.
Please, let's continue, please.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, Neela ma'am. I hope you both are doing good. See, Mera means like my working with you was not for that long because I'm very new in the institute. You all know that. But I have always seen today, as this is the I would say last day of both of you being with us like this officially. So I just want to say something, that I have always seen Neelam ma'am smiling all the time. All the time. I have always seen you smiling. Ma'am, please keep your smile like this on. Keep smiling always. And you have a very, very beautiful smile. And please keep up with that. Keep smiling always. And yes, Alka ma'am, I have always seen you busy with your students, making them preparing them for some or the other competitions. So please be active like that only. And all the best for your new journey. All the best for your new life to both of you. And yes, we are definitely going to miss you both. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you, Bhavna.
After Bhavna ma'am, is there anyone else who wants to reflect something, to say something on this day? All right. So what I would say finally, that obviously we are going to miss both of you for your being so amiable, lovely, lovable, kind, affectionate, and amazing. So now I request respected PC sir to please come over and to propose a vote of thanks.
Good evening, all of you. Today, first time I will listen so much about the teachers. So, miss, they are really favorable to everybody. So, today is an important day when we are all together to remember the memorable deeds of our dear colleagues, Miss Neelam Pahuja and Miss Alka Goyal, who have been one of the pillars of our school. Now we are giving them farewell, yet they will always remain there in all the upcoming events and more than that in our memories. I want to thank everybody for being the part of this online get together. I find it is amazing to see the enthusiasm of all the teachers for conveying their good wishes to both of them for their coming years. I also wish both of them to have good health and prosperous future life. I thanks everybody, and I am feeling very relaxed that I have first time seen their kids after so many years. I've seen their kids. Thank you, everybody. Finally, just thanks from my side to principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, and everybody. And Alka ma'am, best of luck and enjoy your life. And कभी बोर हो गए तो घर आ जाना, मस्ती कर लेंगे यहीं पे.
बिल्कुल भास्कर, जरूर. मैं तो मम्मी को ही बोल रही थी कि बोर होएंगे तो आके मटरे छीलेंगे और बच्चों को खिलाएंगे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
I think it has been a very lovely family get together, which might not have been possible offline, but it has been possible online. And I'm so much filled with joy to see your children, being present online on your very, very memorable day. Just 4 lines, although I don't write poetry. आप जैसा बड़प्पन नहीं है कहीं, आप जैसा सरल मन नहीं है कहीं, आपको हम विदा आज कर दे मगर सीनियर आपके जैसा नहीं है कहीं. We will miss you definitely.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for making the evening so beautiful. Absolutely, our pleasure. Our pleasure. Thank you. God bless you. All the best, Alka ma'am.
Okay.